Hi guys, welcome to this assembling quick review of this Towond 100 inches portable, foldable, indoor, outdoor projector screen. It's a very lightweight one. The whole set is only 7.1 pounds. It has a very modern 16:9 ratio. It's supporting resolutions of up to 4K and it's very easy to assemble, disassemble. You get even this very convenient transportation and carry pouch. And so to start, we take this stand. You can see it's a foldable stand. We just have to pull it a little bit to the side. Comes with this safety screw here. Make sure that it's untightened. Then we have a really secure stand. Secure it here. Then we untighten all the screws here so we can lift it up. For the assembly, it doesn't have to be fully extended. And now what's important here is we get two sets. Both of the bars have 3 pieces. They are nicely described here. So we have these numbers 1, 2, and 3. And so we start with the 1. Make sure that the large hole is on the outside because we need that for the Velcro to attach. Then we add number 2 with the hole. So on the number 1 we have the pin. And the hole on the number 2 has nice fit. And then same with number 3. Make sure that the large hole is outside. Small hole towards the inside. And so we have a stable bar. By the way, we get also some accessories in the sandbag. Sandbag you can fill with some dirt or sand or whatsoever to give some extra weight. So it's more stable. So we can see we get a couple of things here. And so the next step is to push the bar here inside. There's an opening on top of the screen. Can nicely push on top. And then at the very end we can use this Velcro to go through this large opening, then push it out on the other side and secure it nicely here on the other side. There's also this sticking patch here. So we do same thing on both of the sides. And then we need the upper fixator. We can slide it on top of it just from the side. Has enough space, it's a little bit larger. Then we remove the wing nut here on top. Also remove the washer. Put the upper fixator on top. Put the washer back. Wing nut back. So it has a perfect hold here on top. And so we do exactly same thing also for the lower bar. Number 1, large hole outside. Number 2 with the small hole. And number 3 also with the large hole outside. That makes the lower bar. And so we slide the lower bar here also inside of the screen. Just push it here inside. Just takes a couple of seconds. Secure it also with the Velcro straps on the outside through the large holes. Also on this side. And then we slide in the lower fixator here as well. Same thing as with the upper fixator. And then we can lift this up and attach the lower fixator down here. We have also some caps here. They are actually not needed, but make it more beautiful in all the 4 ends. And so we have it here already. Everything good. We just don't have the full height. So we have to untighten all the screws. And now we can lift it up. And now you can see all the wrinkles are gone. Can secure it again. Also down here, it has a very safe hold. You can see it's super flat. There is no wrinkle. Super tight, super flat. Absolutely awesome. And the set comes also with a large set of hooks. So you can, for example, also use that at home and then use the stand for travel, for your friends or for business, something like that. And so you can see it's installed now in the bedroom. Looks absolutely awesome. And of course, even more impressive when we are playing a video. By the way, you don't have to be worried. I own the copyright on the video and on the audio. Watch how nice this looks. But not only from far away, but also when we go a little bit closer or to the side of the screen, we can see everything nice and clear almost when we are there. So that's absolutely awesome. We can also go to this side here, of course, exactly same thing, absolutely phenomenal. And there are absolutely no wrinkles. You can see this thing is really tight. It has really good hold. By the way, I've been able to adjust the height here even a little bit. There's a little bit of a gap, so you can adjust it, make it even a little bit lower or higher depending on your needs. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. And by the way, the screen is also very stable. You can see I'm standing behind it, move it from left to right, and there's nothing moving, nothing shaking, everything really stable, solid. And so if you're interested, you can find the link to the product listing down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this projector, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.